Pisces, has this ever happened to you on a day that ends in a Y? Maybe. There's a lot of things we can do to both prevent it and address it once it does happen. One of the things that we offer is this great protection program that will protect your furniture from accident and incident for 5 years after your point of purchase. It will protect from things like wine. If you spill wine on your couch and you can't get it out, they will send you a new cushion cover. If the cushion cover can't be obtained, maybe it's a discontinued fabric, they're going to replace your whole couch. If your couch goes perfectly with your 2 chairs, they're going to replace the 2 chairs as well. Now, one of the things we do like to do is we like to select performance fabrics that are nylons, polypropylenes, things like this that really are going to wear well. We have some beautiful like performance velvets, linen looks, but they actually are performance fabrics where you can get crayon out, you can get a Sharpie pen, you can get highlighter out, you can get wine, food spills, all kinds of things. So we'll start there, but then we can also extra protect you with our platinum protection plan.